Now we're going to look at question number 9 on the quiz. In this one, we're given the following regular shape and we want to find x. Well, if you count the number of sides, it has 12 sides. And I want to find the measure of one central angle. Well, when I add up all of my central angles, that is 360 degrees that goes all the way around, divided by 12, and that will tell me that one central angle is going to equal 30. Now, in order to solve this, I have to do 3x minus 13 equals 30. Then I'm going to add 13 to both sides, and I get 3x is equal to 43. Divide by 3, and we end up with x is equal to 14.33.